Hi, welcome to another video, Daniel and John's channel, and today we're going to talk about the Cricut, and it's the Maker 3, and we're going to change the fine point cutting blade, and it's normally housed in there in the clamp, so take it out, it's easy as that. And this is what it looks like. It's in this sheath, aluminium sheath I would call it, and you'll see that there, it moves up and down. And the easiest way that I found is just to piece of paper or piece of card on there, push right down and pull out, and you'll see it just pops out. Just put it on there. So for those who didn't see that, and when you put it back in, just simply slots in and the magnet grabs it. So here we go again. You could use a pair of pliers or tweezers, just press down, pull out. It's really easy, and then just replace in. Anyway, that really was a video straight to the point. So if you can help us move along with our channel, we'd appreciate your subscription. We're going to pop some more Cricut videos on Cricut, however you want to pronounce it, shortly, so might be worth you subscribing. Thanks for watching.